Here we have some Black Butte chickpeas, and I had never seen black chickpeas before. They make like a black hummus. So I also got some black garlic. I will cook these up. I didn't pre-soak them last night, I forgot, so I'll have a longer cooking time. But let's see how it turns out, the whole process. And I just wanted to show you because they're quite beautiful. And if you come across them in the store, might as well get some because they're heirloom. And these are grown in Montana. Surprising. This is what they look like when they're rinsed. Very beautiful. And then this is the black garlic. Okay, this is what they look like when they're done. Very pretty. Alright, this is what it looks like done. Mashallah tabarakallah. Drizzled it with olive oil. Got some fresh minced parsley on there. Let's taste it up. Put some cumin, lemon, tahini. That black garlic really comes through. Incredible flavor. Reminds me a lot of black beans, ironically. Very delicious. Hopefully you can try to make this too. Yeah.